Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in this video we are going to learn how to notify team on Telegram for new LinkedIn leads. So here I am running a LinkedIn lead gen form, and in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically alert message should be sent to my team on my Telegram group. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pably Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be LinkedIn lead gen form and our action application will be Telegram. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Telegram for new LinkedIn leads. So here I've created a LinkedIn lead gen form, and in this case I want whenever a new lead is generated in my LinkedIn lead gen form, automatically a notification should be sent to my team on my Telegram group. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pably Connect. This is the homepage of Pably Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pably.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pably apps window where you can see all the applications of Pably. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pably Connect. This is the dashboard of Pably Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as notify team on Telegram for new LinkedIn leads. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Notify Team on Telegram for new LinkedIn leads. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn lead gen forms, and my trigger event as new lead gen form response. And now to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pably Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LinkedIn lead gen form is already connected with Pably Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and here it is asking me to select my account. So here for the account, I'm going to select Naveen Kohli. Moving forward, and here it is asking me to select the lead form. So for that, let me take you back to my LinkedIn account. And here you can see I have created two campaigns with different names. So in this case, we are going to use the second campaign. So this is the draft campaign which I've created. So moving back to Pably window. And here for the lead form, we are going to select our lead form which is named as sample lead gen form. So here I'm going to select this form. So now after selecting the account and lead form, we need to submit a test response. And for that, let me take you back to my lead gen form. So this is my lead gen form. So here I'm going to click on this apply now. So as my campaign is in draft mode, and here you can see I have received the option for entering the email address and phone number. But this first name, last name and company name is rigid. That means I haven't received an option to enter the first name, last name and company name. So these details are rigid because here my campaign is in draft mode. If you are running a live campaign, then your lead will receive an option to enter the first name, last name and company name. So here I'm going to enter a dummy detail here. So for the email address, I'm going to enter the email address as dummy@pablytudes.com and a random phone number. And now after entering both the details, here I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says information sent to Pably. So now let's move back to our Pably window. And here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the email address, phone number, first name, last name, company name and email address. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Telegram bot. And my action event is send a text message or reply, so that whenever a new lead is received in my LinkedIn lead gen forms, automatically a notification should be sent to my team on my Telegram channel. So now to connect my Telegram bot with Pably Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Telegram bot account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for token. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Telegram account. And now here in our Telegram account, we are going to create a new bot by simply searching for the bot father. So here I'm going to select bot father. And here I'm going to generate a new bot by simply writing a command, that is /new bot. And here you can see it says alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So here I'm going to choose a name, that is lead alert. And here you can see it says good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot like this. For example, Tetris bot. So here we are going to give a name, that is notification bot. And here you can see this username is already taken. So we are going to try another username, that is Pabbly integrations 440 bot. And here you can see we have successfully created a new bot. And here you can see we have received the tokens. So here I'm going to copy this token. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the token. So now here, after entering the token, here I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking for chat ID. So to receive the chat ID, let me take you back to my Telegram account. And now to create a new group with the bot, firstly we need to activate our bot. So for that we are going to click on this link. And here I'm going to click on the start. And here you can see we have successfully activated our bot. So now we are going to create a new group with this bot. So for that I'm going to click on this, and from here I'm going to select new group. And now under this here I'm going to add some members. So here I've added some members, and now I'm going to add the bot in the group. So for that I'm going to search for the bot, that is lead alert. So here I've selected the bot, and now I'm going to create the group. Here I'm going to give a name to my bot. So here I'm going to give the name as team space, and now I'm going to create a group. So here you can see we have successfully created a group. So now after creating a successful group, I have to make the bot as a group admin, because only the admins can send a message here. So for creating the bot as an admin, I'm going to use my phone, and then I'm going to create the bot as admin. So here I've successfully created the bot as admin. So to show you that, let me click on this profile icon. And here you can see I've successfully created the bot as admin. So now after doing this, we are going to copy the chat ID we have received in our URL. So here after this hashtag, we are going to copy all the detail. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the chat ID. So now after adding the chat ID, moving forward, and now here it is asking for text message. So here I need to enter the message which I want to send as an alert on my Telegram channel. So this is the message which I want to send, which says, hello, you have received a new LinkedIn lead. The details are given below. Lead's name, lead's email, and lead's phone number. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my LinkedIn lead gen form. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new lead is received in my LinkedIn lead gen forms, automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So here for the lead's name, I'm going to map the lead's name. So here I'm going to search for the name. So here I'm going to map the first name and then last name. So here I've mapped both the names, and now I'm going to map the email address. So here I'm going to search for email. So here I'm going to search for the phone number. So here I'm going to map the phone number. So here I'm done entering all the details. So moving forward. And now here this message thread ID, reply to message ID is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. You can do it as per your need. Moving forward. Here for the disable notification, I'm going to select no. Disable web page preview, no. Allow sending without reply, no. Protect content, no. And for the pass mode, here I'm going to select HTML. Moving forward. Again, this button label and button URL is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. And now after entering all the details, here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Telegram account. And here you can see we have successfully received a new lead alert in our group with the message which says, hello, you have received a new LinkedIn lead. The details are given below. Lead's name, first name, last name. Lead's email, dummy@pabblytudes.com, and lead's phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to generate a new lead in our LinkedIn lead gen form. And for that, let me take you back to my LinkedIn lead gen form. So here I'm going to refresh this form. Again, here I'm going to enter a dummy email address such as test@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, and same this first name, last name and company name cannot be changed. So here I'm going to click on the submit, and here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So moving back to Pabbly window. So as here you can see that LinkedIn Legion Form is a pooling based application. That means it will take 10 minutes to capture the new response. So now let's wait for 10 minutes. So now it's been more than 10 minutes. So now let's go and check our Telegram group. And here you can see we have successfully received a new lead alert with the message, hello, you have received a new LinkedIn lead. The details are given below. Lead's name, first name, last name, lead's email as test@pablitudes.com and lead's phone number. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as LinkedIn Legion Forms and action as Telegram bot. So that whenever a new response is captured in our LinkedIn Legion Forms, automatically a notification to our team should be sent on our Telegram channel. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.